चाहते हैं अगर आके मुझसे मिल जा तू, या फिर ऐसा कर धरती से मिला दे मुझको। আমায় ডুবাইলি রে, আমায় ভাসাইলি রে বন্ধু, অকুল দরিয়ার বুঝি কুল নাই রে। কুল নাই কিনার নাই অথই দৈরার পানি রে, হায় রে দিবস নিশীতে জাগে দিয়া হাত সানি। তুই রে तेरे बिना मैं कैसे जीऊं, आजा रे इन सांसों में बस जा तू, दिल रे आजा दिल की ज़मीन में तू।
Wasn't that magical, beautiful people? I was completely enchanted. And these boys never stopped to mesmerize me with their music. Welcome back. Shomo, tell me something. The connect of music that you create, and we just created a couple of minutes back, when did this concept of exploring only classical forms begin? Why did you try it out with popular music?
Absolutely, we do.
I mean, could you give an example?
Yeah, say for instance, we also have a very interesting production where we feature most popular songs. Could it be from the Bollywood era or from any other great composer, and we relate it with the classical forms of India and also the classical form of Europe, like European classical music. Because our classical music is very interesting. The term classical
is dynamic.
It is not restricted to a particular period.
Right.
A person who is singing Rag Bhairavi today is singing it today for the first time.
For an example, if you take that song, Das Bahane Karke Le Gayi Dil,
Or Dhoom Macha Le
Dhoom Macha Le Dhoom.
Dhoom Macha Le Dhoom.
It is absolutely a Bhairavi.
It's a Bhairavi composition.
Oh my God, never knew about it.
Absolutely.
Say for instance, Saawariya, the film, the title track is in Rag Pahadi.
Rag Pahari.
If we go back to Amitabh Bachchan, Mere Angne Mein Tumhara Kya Kaam Hai?
It's a Pilu Dadra.
It's a Pilu Dadra. It dates back to 200 years.
Oh, is that so?
It's amazing. Mostly our classical form of music has got 10 segments where there are 10 sorts of progressions, and from them comes those ragas which are really like men. They have got emotions, and raginis who are female forms of nature.
Wow.
They're just like human beings.
Any and every composition has to fit on one or the other structure that we have in our classical forms. So it's the way of looking at you. Like if I come in your birthday and tell you you're 37 years old.
I wouldn't like that.
And
no, I'm not 37, trust
but I'm
me.
like we're decreasing your age. It's you should be happy. You should be happy.
Acha, tell me something. When both of you make music, I'm sure you've had the chance of meeting a lot of different musicians because you collaborate with a lot of musicians when you travel abroad. Has there been any incident which you still remember, which actually inspires you?
Yeah, like
I can point out. We met Professor Martin Kubert.
When I was just going
like,
to
Martin Kubert. Okay.
Martin
Right.
Kubert.
So
Where was this?
it was in Bonn
It was in Bonn.
last year, and we were rehearsing some pieces together. We were playing a raga which was based on the fourth note. Usually a raga would be based on the fifth note.
Okay.
Or the
And-
first, the sa is the most important note in a raga.
Right.
And then
But
comes
there
the
are-
pa, which is the fifth
That's
note.
where it begins from.
Yeah, but there are
Right.
certain ragas where the madhyam becomes the most dominating note.
There are songs where Madhyam is the most dominant.
Absolutely, like Bhagyashree and
Bhagyashree,
Adibhairav and
yes,
Lalit.
absolutely.
These are
So we were performing that raga. We had said we'll do it in C because that was suiting everybody else there. And what happened? He came up with a question. Don't you think it's from F? We said, how do you say this? Well, I hear a fourth note bass. I said that he's a man who has never listened to any oriental forms of music.
Ever.
And in 10 minutes, he's responding in such a way. Like, this is where there are no boundaries. It's like a world where there is no boundaries. It's man living this earth.
And this is with Martin once again, like for the first time when we met him, there was a piano and we knew him to be an accordion player and a violin player. So he just came in and he was just trying his hands on the keyboard. And we were just shocked that what is he playing? He should be the best pianist of the world. And then he said that, no, I was just trying. Actually, I played the
There
accordion
lies a
and the
basic
violin.
question. Like in our country, mostly in other Asian countries too, we don't have music as a subject for the school-going children, which has to be there.
I think this is very
In
important.
South India, it's very common. You have music as a subject of your
In South
learning.
India, music, dance, are martial arts are taught as
Absolutely.
subjects in school.
And I presume that this is the only way by which we can make the world better, because once the children they start learning Indian music, they can never be perverted.
You
They
both
can
are very
never
young,
do.
So you still dream through your music to make this world a better place.
I think we can. It is already such a beautiful place, and with some more additions, we can make it the best.
I wish more politicians and diplomats are listening to this show where these two people are. I remember you talking to me about this wonderful meeting with Lata Mangeshkar.
Oh.
And I can't get over it. Will you share it with Chatterley for our beautiful people?
I had few beautiful pictures of hers because I had been collecting her pictures. So I went there and we shared nearly half an hour or a little more
How many days did you wait
for a
it?
couple of days.
At the hotel itself?
Yeah.
Oh my
I
God.
was just waiting there. And finally, when I heard her first through the phone, I was just shocked. I could not speak.
What did she say on phone?
I mean, she just said, आपके पास कैसे तस्वीरें हैं और आप क्यों मिलना चाहते हैं?
And
But
look at the humility when that woman who is next to a diva spoke to him, she would address him with aap.
And Shri.
Right, absolutely.
I mean,
This is what makes people great.
I'm sure as young musicians, you also have to face a lot of odds from established musicians, where they try and manipulate. Have you been a prey to one of them?
You know, Ali Akbar Khan Sahab had been an example in this form to our lives.
Okay.
Because he said, music is just like offering yourself to God. Keep on playing. God will give you opportunities. In
And just
any
don't
form of
sing.
professions.
let music sing. From the first conversation, maybe a musician or a celebrity or somebody with a legend in him or her have stopped us, but once we sat together with our music, it has always been the other way.